I have tile floors, and so for my tile floors, all I need really is warm water and a bit of disinfectant to clean my tiles. So I use a disinfectant. Make sure that it says disinfectant on the bottle, because there's a lot of cleaners, even in the same name brands, that you think are disinfectants, but they're not. So make sure it says it on the bottle. There is no point in trying to clean your bathroom without a disinfectant. This is your key. This is your best friend in the bathroom. Now also, when you're doing your sinks, you want to have something that's got some, it has some abrasion to it, so that when you've got sticky, scummy build-up inside your sinks, just something very liquidy like this is not going to give you the abrasiveness that you need to really rub that off. So I always have this, some type of powder that will help lift that scum off your sinks.